Hello everybody and welcome back to another airport update. In today's airport update we have a airport update of Windsor Locks Airport, also known as Bradley International Airport. Unfortunately, the only international airline to fly here would be Aer Lingus, which I do not have, but other than that I've covered most of it, and this is non-affected obviously. There is not, the terminals are completely full, but there's still quite a bit of flights going out and coming in. And this is on the Honolulu board, and as you can maybe see, I don't know if the lighting's good, but there is cement squares on the airport now. And the water has been finished, so I guess we're moving along with Honolulu fairly well. Starting off with this JetBlue Airbus A320, this is in the high-rise livery. This will be departing out to Fort Lauderdale. Before we continue on with this airport update, I would encourage you to please hit that big red subscribe button and turn the notification bell to all so that you don't miss future videos. Here we have a Delta connection, CRJ-700. This aircraft just arrived in from Cleveland. Next, we have a Delta MD-90. This flight will be heading out to Atlanta. In the front here, we have a Southwest 737-700. This airplane will be heading out to Chicago Midway. Then in the back here we have a Southwest 737-800. This aircraft will be departing out to Baltimore. Here we have a United 737-800. This aircraft is in the new livery and will be heading out to Chicago O'Hare. Then we have a Frontier Airbus A320. This is in Colorado, the Bighorn Jeep. This aircraft will be doing a seasonal flight out to Raleigh-Durham. And here we have a Spirit Airbus A320. This aircraft is in the Bear Fair livery and had just arrived in from Fort Lauderdale. Currently, all their flights are suspended to this airport until May 4th, 2020. So, yeah. Here we have a American Airbus A320. This aircraft is just getting ready for pushback out to Miami. The last airplane in Terminal 2 is a American Eagle CRJ-200. This aircraft will be departing out to Washington National. Starting off the cargo, the airlines that fly here for cargo would be Amazon Air, DHL Aviation, FedEx Express, and UPS Airlines. I do not have any DHL planes, but the rest are in here, accurate routes, and yeah. Starting off with this Amazon Prime Air 767. This aircraft had just arrived in from Ontario. And here we have a FedEx 767. This aircraft will be departing out to Manchester. The last aircraft for this airport update is a it's not the last aircraft, but here we have a UPS 767. This is doing a flight out to Buffalo. That is a seasonal flight, by the way. Before I do the last aircraft in this update, I want to do a quick overview. So here we have Terminal 1, and then Terminal 2, and then we have the cargo over here. And as you can see, here is the water for Honolulu. It's looking very well so far. And then we have the cement squares that you can sort of see. This took a while to do, but it was totally worth it. So here's an overview once again of Windsor Locks or Bradley International Airport, and then we'll get into the last aircraft. For the last aircraft in this airport update, we have a American Airbus A319 just getting ready to roll down the runway for a non-stop departure out to Los Angeles, California. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching this airport update. If you are new, please hit that big red subscribe button and turn the notification bell to all so you don't miss future videos. I am still doing requested airport updates, but for now it is closed because I have like 5,000 I have to do. And some people requested smaller airports that are literally like private jets and one United CRJ200, and then that's it. I don't remember the name of it, but I was like, okay, I can't do that. That'd be the most boring airport update. So I can't guarantee I'm going to do every single one. Like someone requested Chicago O'Hare, and I'm like, well, here's the problem, buddy. That's kind of big. So I won't be able to do every single one of them. I hope I can still do the majority of them, but I do not have a huge airport that I can just borrow really quick for an airport update. To tear down all of Denver and then do the airport update would be the biggest pain. You do not even know. So that's why I'm using this board, Honolulu and Colorado Springs, to do my requested airports. So please, if you do request an airport, I do usually do polls on Instagram for it, milehigh_aviation on Instagram. I do ask that you keep it medium size, not too big, and not like one flight and the rest are private jets, because that would not be a fun video to do or watch for your sake. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that big red subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.